Alright, I just want to give a quick demo of how to use the math equation editor here in the discussion area. So the first thing you'll do is type out an explanation of what you're about to do. You may just say I'm going to solve an equation and here are my steps or whatever it is. Any plain text you'll just type there in the discussion area, not in the equation editor. So when you get ready to do actually insert the equation, you want to click on the x squared and it'll open up this little window. And you can create a new equation or you can edit one that you've already done. Either way, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how you edit one that you've already inserted. So click on it, it opens it up, and then hit edit. And here's this warning you're going to see. Well, if you're doing this within eCollege, then it's safe to say, to accept the risk. So you're going to say, all right, accept the risk and hit run. And it's a little bit slow, it takes a second. All right, so there's the original equation. I'm just going to delete it and show you how you can insert it. All right, so I'm going to insert the quadratic formula. All right, so the first thing I have to do is insert a fraction. And in the numerator of the fraction, I want to type negative b plus or minus, and that's under this little box here where you've got different operations, plus or minus. I need the square root, so I'll click on this one and get the square root of b squared. So I need an exponent. So back in this first box where you'll see most of the things you'll need, I'm going to use this, which gives me the base and the exponent boxes for each. So I want b squared. So I'm going to hit b and then my right arrow to get into the exponent, and then 2, and then right arrow again to get out of the exponent. So there's b squared minus 4 times a times c. All that's under the square root. If I wanted to do something outside the square root, I would just hit the right arrow and then hit some spaces and then type some other stuff. But I don't need anything for this, but you can do that. Now I want to get in the denominator, so hit the down arrow, and I want to do 2a. So that's my expression. I could save as new, and I'd have two versions of this, or I could just say replace what I had before and insert, which is what I'm going to do. It's the same expression anyway, but replace and insert. Or if it's a brand new one, you would just say save and insert. And when you do that, you get, it'll pop it right into the discussion area. And you can do another one. You could type some more text here, and then go down here and put another equation in there by clicking the math equation editor. So that's how it works.